So how will you attach the BMS? Like it is a kind of software, right? BMS is.
Yeah, BMS there is a battery management system which keeps the all number of batteries in a equal voltage.
Okay.
So BMS is a different character. If you want to see the BMS also, we have, these are all the BMS. Different specifications. This is 4S LFP.
Okay.
For LFP batteries, 4S, we use this type of BMS. It is 20 amps maximum loading capacity.
Okay.
And this is the 13S 48 volts NMC 20 amps.
Okay.
And here the discharge rating is around 40 amps. And charging, you can give maximum of 20 amps of current for charging.
Okay.
You can discharge continuously around 40 amps current.
Okay.
And the peak discharge will be around 80 amps.
Oh.
So this is the specification of this. And these are the 10S BMS,
Okay.
which mostly used for 36 volts. NMC, this is NMC.
Okay.
And you can see the rating of the battery. And most of the times, most of the manufacturers, I can't say manufacturers, assembling of lithium battery packs,
Okay.
always they choose this, if they are making a 30 amps capacity, 30 Ah capacity of the battery,
Okay.
they like to get the 30 amps of BMS.
Okay.
So it is not correct. First you check the peak discharge
Okay.
and continuous discharge of the controller.
Okay.
That is the most important. It is not like that if you are making 100 Ah of battery for a 48 volts 20 amps vehicle,
Okay.
it is not important if you are making 100 Ah of battery, you use 100 Ah of 100 amps of BMS.
Okay.
So always see that when you are choosing a BMS, always check the motor capacity,
Okay.
controller drawing amps, peak amp, continuous discharge amps of controller. Then you choose the BMS.
For example, if the motor capacity is 1 kilowatt and they need to use a 1 kilowatt controller.
No, that is what I am. No, that is not the means. Yes, of course. If it is the motor, if it is a 1 kilowatt motor, you have to choose more than 1 kilowatt of controller.
Okay. But
So that will be
BMS,
better.
you don't need to choose more than one.
No. BMS, it is important to see the motor controller's drawing current.
Okay.
If the controller drawing current is not more than 25 amps,
Okay.
you can choose up to 30 amps of BMS.
Okay.
If the controller is 30 amps and you are making 100 amps of battery, it is not important that you take 100 amps of BMS.
Okay.
So see, always suit the BMS to the controller's charge, discharge, voltage and current.
Okay.
That is most important to choose a BMS. Different type of BMS are there. Sir, always make most of the people now they are using BMS.
Yeah, recently because I have seen
Here
some
before,
Yeah.
most of the people they are making the batteries without BMS also.
Okay.
Now they are a little educated.
Okay.
Always use without BMS. You please don't make a battery pack. It is most important to put a BMS,
Okay.
to suitable BMS
Okay.
required for the motor and controller,
Okay.
not the AH of the battery.
Okay.
BMS always has to be choose by the motor capacity and the controller capacity.
Okay.
Controller's ampere drawing, peak drawing and continuous discharge of the controller. That is the most important to choose a BMS. This is the 16S 60 volts BMS.
So I think if you take a battery cells cost around 20,000 rupees, so what will be the cost of a BMS in that?
BMS cost depends. This is 20S.
Okay.
20S, this is continuous discharge is 45 amps,
Okay.
which mostly we use for Okinawa
iPress.
iPress vehicles, and the charging current is 20 amps.
Okay.
Always choose the charger less than 20 amps. Okay.
So
And
for BMS also damaged in an electric vehicle. You have a spare part, right?
BMS, yes. BMS they'll get fail.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
because of high current drawn by the motor.
Okay.
The BMS will get fail.
Okay.
These are all the spot welding related making of lithium battery packs.
Okay.
36 volts, 350 watt hub motor for conversion cycle.
Okay.
This is the gauge motor. You can use for both 36 volts and 48 volts.
Okay.
It will give a maximum speed of 25 to 30 kilometer speed
Okay.
with 9 nanometers of torque.
Okay. So these are the plasters.
And these are all the packing accessories what we use in lithium battery pack making.
Okay.
And this is the cell balancer. Up to 6S you can balance the cell pack.
Okay.
And this can be directly connected to USB.
Okay.
It will give you the complete chart of the battery pack, the range, the specification of the battery, each cell line, everything it will gives you.
Okay.
You can maximum charge and discharge around 20 amps on this.
Okay.
This is the power supply
Okay.
what we use to charge individual cells.
Okay. So this is also the tapes.
This is the gumming tapes. Different type of controllers. This is 48 by 60. You can use for both 48 volts motor and 60 volts motor. Sine wave controller.
So what will be the common, troubles with the, will it be the controller pins or the controller
And
problem?
the checking of this controller always, whenever if you want to check a controller,
Okay.
first connect this, and most of them they don't know that this is the power supply switch.
Okay.
Whenever you connect these both wires,
Okay.
the controller will switch on.
Okay.
So in between you have to keep a ignition key
Okay.
or steering lock key. This is how you have to connect the controller, and these three are the phase wires,
Okay.
motor phase wires. These two sockets are provided to connect remote locks,
Okay.
and this is the connector for Hall sensor. You can see this 6-port socket is there,
Yes.
where 5 wires are connected. In these 2 wires, red and black, are the supply.
Okay.
Whenever you want to see whether the controller is working or not, please check 5 volts
Okay.
in between 2 wires. If the 5 volts power supply is there, that means your controller is in working condition. That is how you can check a controller's working.
Okay.
And this is the brake switch wire,
Okay.
and these are the speed controllers, 1 to 3 speed, 3 speed switch connector, and this is provided. These 2 wires here clearly written that 48 by 60.
Yes.
When you connect these 2 wires, it will function on 60 volts.
Okay.
If you want to run these same controllers on 48 volts, please remove this
Okay.
socket, disconnect it, then it will function on 48 volts. And similarly, all the controllers have the same connectors.
Okay.
All are similar wire controls. This is the throttle connection. These are the phase wires, and this is the power supply. Are similar. And one more thing, you can connect any controller to any motor.
Okay.
If the company is not providing a controller, then you have to choose to the open market. You cannot stop your vehicle standing on the showroom.
Okay.
So you can choose a controller which suits your motor.
Okay.
You can use any controller which suits your motor depending upon the voltage, wattage, and current rating of the, your current rating is not mentioned, current rating of the controller.
Okay.
Yes, see here you can see the current rating 32 amps, and the voltage is around 4860, and the cutoff voltage of the controller is, for 48 volts it is 42 volts, for 60 volts it is 52 volts.
Okay.
At that range, it will make the battery to discharge maximum of 52 volts. If it is 60 volts, it will cuts off at 42 volts.
Okay.
You have to check this before choosing the BMS.
Okay.
After finishing the battery pack over there at the machine,
Okay.
here we connect the BMS.
Okay.
So whenever you connect a BMS, see that the negative point of the cable is to be connected to the negative point,
Okay.
and keep on going the connect to the each and every series of the battery pack, and then we'll charge the battery first, and then we'll get it discharged on this battery pack capacity tester.
Okay.
There you will find the battery voltage, battery ampere, what is the AH it has produced,
Okay.
and what's the time of discharge it is taken, and what is the current rating we are provided. This is the machine. You can charge 0 to 100 volts of battery. At 20 amps you can charge and discharge the battery. These are the lead acid battery chargers. You can charge and discharge on this lead acid battery, and this is only the charger for lead acid battery. These are different type of chargers: 60 volts, 24 volts, 48 volts, 72 volts. We have all range of chargers for all, suitable for all brands of electric vehicles. We do service for all brands of electric vehicles.
Okay. We'll do this servicing also you're offering here.
Yeah, we do service since from 15 years. We are doing service for all brands.
Okay.
We do supply. We import from China some spare parts.
Okay.
Some of we procure from India. We do service all type of electric scooters.
Okay.
All type of electric scooters. And I want to show one more. What we have, a conversion of an electric scooter.
Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.